at a mountain waterfall. Water slaps my face, forcing my eyes shut as we climb, crab-like, scuttling platform to platform along the rocks that form an opening not more than a half foot across, and from that 6-inch aperture, water shoots out and down. Rocks run in steps, handholds, some jut out with holes in them. Vines crawl down and, nourished by water that splashes, runs, pounds, and flows, begin to take root as they touch down on another base of rock. Holding a stone shaped like an axe blade, as big as my hand and as thick and almost as flat, except for one hard wart at the broader end. Other men might have been here, using rocks like this one, chipping them into tools and weapons. This island reminds one of all things primitive.